Have you learned any new Yoruba words this week? You should try learn a new word every day.
What would our friend like to learn today?
Hi Cameron Kai, how do I say yes or no in Yoruba?
Bawani Ari.
That's very easy. Yes is Beni and no is Rara.
Kemo, let's practice it. Let's practice sentences with Beni and Rara.
Okay.
Kemo, ṣé o ti jẹun?
Beni mo ti jẹun, ìwọ ńkọ́?
Rárá, mi ò ti jẹun.
Ṣé o fẹ́ kẹ̀kẹ́?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, mo fẹ́ kẹ̀kẹ́. Ìwọ ńkọ́?
Rárá, mi ò fẹ́ kẹ̀kẹ́, mo fẹ́ scooter. Now you should practice saying Beni àti Rara in Yoruba. Now it's time for Honey's Word of the Day.
Over to you, Honey.
Hi guys, today's word of the day is fèrèsé, and that in English means window.
Thanks, Honey. That was great.
Make sure you practice because practice makes perfect.
Yeah. It's food time. Guys, you know what time it is? It's time for Onje Food.
Let's see what we have today.
Pepper soup with assorted meat. 3 facts about pepper soup. Fact 1. Pepper soup is a spicy soup that has a light watery texture. Fact 2. It is prepared using various meats or fish. A mix of spices, tamarind peppers, cayenne peppers, chili peppers and calabash nutmeg as the main ingredients. Fact 3. Pepper soup is a popular soup in Nigeria and in other countries in Western Africa, including Liberia, Sierra Leone, Gambia and Ghana.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Whoever eats the most food before the timer runs out is the winner.
Let's go! Who do you think won? I think it's a tie.
We both won.
Yay! It's song time!
Today we will learn how to say wash your hands in Yoruba. Wash your hands, wash it real good. Wash your hands, wash it real good. So your hands to be clean, so your hands to be clean. Let us sing it in Yoruba, let us sing it in Yoruba. Forward, 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 forward.
Yoruba Stars this week. We hope you enjoyed as much as we have.
See you again next week for another fun episode.